Hi, this is Ronnie, and welcome to my channel and how to kill a kit with style. If you would look below, you will see lots of links to other gals with so much inspiration for you. I'm going to scrap this picture of my granddaughter, and her shirt says, "Mommy is my bestie." Now, she is a daddy's girl, but that's what her shirt says. Her mom will even post on Facebook that she's had time and was holding her and pictures of her cuddled up against her because daddy wasn't home. But yeah, she is a daddy's girl. Um, this piece of paper here, the one with the arrows, it was in my stash and I do not know what it came from. I just stuck it in the kit because I've looked at it I don't know how many times and planned on using it. I did use part of it, so it wasn't quite as big. I think I used like a strip of arrows for a border, and that's all I used from it. And so I had to trim it down just a little bit to get it to fit in here like I wanted it to. That black piece of cardstock, I was hoping it was big enough for the picture, but it wasn't. So I'm cutting into another 12 by 12 because I'm getting low on my black scraps that I use. My layout's going to be that peach color there and black mostly. I am not going to use that teal one. I considered it because I used part of that. I've had it forever, and I thought maybe I could go ahead and use the rest of it and then it'll be gone. But no, I do not end up using the rest of it. I am going to end up using those borders there. They're all black and white. And there was one more in that bunch that I had in my hand, and I just didn't even notice it, I guess. I found it later, and I thought, oh, I could have used it on here. But I think it looks pretty good the way it ends up. I am going to fussy cut that scallop one, and I'm going to leave just a little bit of white on it, and then I'm going to lay the others. That one I just had in my hand, which is going to be the top one, it's going to be more like an arrow as it goes across there. Granddaughter looks older than what she is in that picture. She's only like a little, well, over 2.5, but she wasn't 3 yet because that picture was taken like in September and she wasn't 3 to December. So I guess it's the angle of the camera or something because she does look older than what she does in a lot of her other pictures. I am just going to put this one right along the bottom edge because I just wanted it to be a cute little trim down there at the bottom. And I considered putting that one there, and looking at it now, I wished I had. I did like it there. At the time, I didn't. But looking at it now, I wished I had. And I wished I had put black behind it and had like a border all the way around it. Looking at it now. But back when I did it, I didn't think of that. That one's going to be the top one, I think. I'm not sure what I'm doing putting the picture down there, trying to decide how to do it. Maybe I thought I'd save part of it right then. This has been a couple of weeks since I made this layout, so I can't really remember what all was going on in my mind. Some of it I can remember, but not all of it. And of course, I'm using that T-square ruler. I don't always get it straight with it, but I do better. Look at me, I'm gluing that whole doily. And I no more get it glued. And I thought, what are you doing? You're only going to use half of it. So I laid it upside down up there so maybe it'll dry and I can still use it on another layout. And I do end up using it on another layout. This pinwheel here, I got it in a warehouse box, and it's a baby collection by Echo Park. So I am going to end up covering what's on there up. It had something to do with babies. I do not offhand remember what it was, but I started to put that one sticker down there and it just says yes, but it was so small I could still see the edges of the other thing that was already on there. So I went ahead and got my circle punch and put it behind that, and it covers everything up. So I'm happy. I'm just going to nestle it right next to the picture, and with the doily, it's just going to be right in the curve of the doily, hopefully anyway. At least that was my plan when I was putting it there. I did take off the foam tape that was behind there because I thought it would be up just a little bit too high. I didn't put the picture on foam tape. It is adhered straight to the layout, so I figured it'd just go across there and not be up too high. I love the pinwheels. I love the look on the layout, but I don't like them going up really high. I make enough dimension in my layouts as it is, and if I do too much, it's a good thing they started making the D whatever those y'all know what I'm talking about, those notebook like ones, because I can get a lot more in there. The others I needed a rubber band or something to go around them because they wouldn't close. But I do use them for gift albums, and I try to keep them less bulky when I make them as a gift album. I am doing the 1/2 inch circle punch again. So, and this time I'm doing like 3 layers. I punched out 3, and instead of getting out my foam tape, I thought the picture's not very high up, and so I put it on there so that it would just be a little bit higher. I am trying to see what I'm doing here now. Oh, that's what I'm doing now. I'm adding the 3 and making that higher. I thought this was doing a while ago. Who knew? Who knew? I didn't remember. Let's see. I'm trying to pick something else to go there. Oh, I took that one off. Let me see what I put. Let me look at my layout. All I did was put a little music symbol there, a note thing. I don't know what I took off, but I put that up there instead. And down here, I'm just going to make layer some banners and that camera. And I wanted the blue to show at the top and the bottom, and I didn't have anything wide enough. So I'm just going to use a couple of scraps to have it show at the top and the bottom. And I'm going to have one black one that goes all the way across. See that little narrow one? It's going to be gone because the one that's on my layout is wider. I don't know why I'm bothering fishtailing the blue ones, because really you cannot see when I get done what I did as far as fishtailing them. They have little whales on them, and I didn't need the whales. I just wanted the blue color, but no whales. But if you look at the picture, the board Mommy is more like a rainbow. And so it has the pinkish peach, and it has pink too, but which is, more on the camera. But it has a peachy peach, and then it has some yellow, which I am going to add some yellow here. Then it has the aqua color, and it also has some purple, but I don't have any purple on here. And I'm just trying to bring out colors that's in her shirt and use them in my layout. And I'm getting kind of low on stuff on my layout, in my kit, which is a good thing because that's the whole idea of how to kill a kit with style. So I am like this arrow one. I've had it a very long time. It came out of a paper pad, and I just haven't used it. I love it. I don't think I was actually hoarding it, but I just would get something else instead. So I put it in here so I'd be sure and use it. Now I want to warn you, this is going to cut off. Yeah, the little thing that held the SD card in broke on that camera, so I had to find another camera so I could use the SD card, and it automatically recorded to the camera and ran out of memory. So yeah, the end is gone, but that is just enamel dots. That's all I'm putting on there that you're going to miss. And I believe there it is. That is the end of it. And this is my layout finished. And I really appreciate everybody that took the time to watch my video. And if you look down there below, you will see loads and loads of inspiration. Links to all the channels of all the other gals doing how to kill a kit with style this month. And I think I forgot to mention this is from my March kit that I never could get the video to upload. So hopefully this time works. Or next time, or the next, whenever. It's going to get up there though. But if you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. But I hope you, and if you are subscribed, thank you so very much. And I hope you all have a happy, scrappy week, and take care and stay safe. Bye.